Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. But the weather is pleasant and it's time to have some tea. So while taking tea, I thought of doing something creative. In today's video, I am going to share something creative which can be made with the items available at home. Whatever gives us pleasure is our hobby. And my hobby is to create something different. I just can't keep myself away from doing something creative. Before I start the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the notifications of my newly uploaded videos. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So in today's video, I am going to use these kind of cardboard pieces which I got in some packaging. I have cut them as per the size of the planters. I am going to make the beautiful covers for the pots. I have pasted them like this with the help of hot glue gun. I wanted to decorate it, so I am using macrame. You can use jute rope as well. I am not going to paste the base on these planters. The reason is that whenever we will water the plants, it can damage the base. So this is easy to make, as well as this is going to enhance the look of the boring planters. After pasting it, I am going to use some tassels and yarn pom-poms. The link of these I will share in the description. You can check it out in the description box. I have pasted them on both the planters. I have used 3 colors of yarn to make these. You can choose as per your choice. You can make the set of 3 in different sizes and they will look just amazing. These are looking so beautiful. Now I am going to put the planters inside them. These are looking just awesome and going well with the decor and giving the rustic and vintage look to my drawing room. If you like this DIY, please comment me in the section. Don't forget to like and share the video with your family and friends. For the next planter cover, I am using the sheet the size is mentioned on the screen. I am marking at 4 cm on both sides of the paper. Now we need to match the points with the help of pen. You should press enough the pen so that these lines can be folded easily. We need 3 sheets like this and we'll do the same process as I'm doing here. Now I marked at half of the width of paper. Match the points as I'm doing in the video. Now we need to draw the lines vertically, matching the points. Now we need to fold the paper. I am folding inside. As you can see, first we need to fold them diagonally. Now we need to fold it vertically. Now we need to fold it as per the marks. We will prepare the 3 like this and we will paste them together as you can see in the video. I am pasting them with the help of Fevicol. how beautiful and vibrant these planter covers are looking. I hope guys you liked the video. Please comment me in the section below which one was your favorite. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. So see you soon with more amazing crafts. Till then, better take care of your health. Stay safe, stay home, be crafty. Bye bye.